I had the rare opportunity to work with Dr. Charles Whitten, who founded the Post Baccalaureate Program for talented African American students. I have seen a number of students be accepted into the program and go on to be exceptional medical doctors.
I've been privileged enough to see students who've come through our program graduate medical school and begin to practice medical education to continue the legacy that started as a result of the work that went into the Post Baccalaureate Program.
My legacy will be giving back to students that look like me, that at one point in life may feel that it's not possible or feel that they want to give up. This is definitely that second chance and that push that I think Wayne State is able to give me, and I want to be able to help give that to someone else.
I'm really grateful that the Post-Bac program exists, and it has really shaped my medical education, so thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Without you, there would be no me.
These candidates come in, they become physicians. The likelihood, since the majority of them come from communities of need, they tend to go back to their communities and serve. They tend to become primary care physicians disproportionately. And that improves access to care, it decreases disparities of care, and it improves healthcare outcomes.